Welcome back to my channel, and today guys we unboxing. Here is
The air fryer
air
by
fryer
Cosori.
The air fryer.
Cosori.
Let's open her up.
It's not called Kasori.
How do you say it? I
Let's
don't
see
know.
what's look like.
That's the box. You have to open another box.
Box in a box.
Yeah. Hey, there's a box and a box and a box. You have to open the other side. Air fryer. It's a box in a box.
There is Tara.
It's like
Uh-oh.
Oh, this is bad. There it is, the air fryer.
Look like so big.
Because it is big. That's how big it is.
Okay, pull the
Big
box.
as the box.
Full RG.
The bag.
I'm the poor.
Look. Slippery. Oh,
Oh yeah.
There is. There is.
Kasori. Can't
Cosori.
say it.
Here's the food to cook.
100 recipes. Recipe book.
that's the control panel. How do we get it open? I don't know what we got.
Spanish.
Is
Touch right there.
Here it is.
French fries inside. Oh.
Lay it
That's the cord. Pull this out. Oh,
Inside.
the cord.
Like so heavy.
That's the air fryer. Maybe we should get the air fryer out first.
Let's lay it down.
Welcome to the lay down video. Take it out.
You take off RG.
And pull.
Oh, it's the air fryer. Oh, is
There
it?
is.
Mouse.
Is that RG there? Ooh, there's the
Manual?
instructions.
Okay, let's see it. One thing.
Baby.
I'm out.
There
I
is.
see. So you got the manual,
Yep.
and what is this? We got this.
I'll put it on top of that.
And have a recipe.
This is the thank you thing, and then this is the recipe book.
Yep.
And there's the air fryer.
Oh, there is.
And mommy's gift.
There is. No, upside down, honey.
It's got the legs on it.
Oh, it's not. Okay. I
What
think
does it
it's
look like?
upside down.
Let's turn it around.
Whoa, so big. My goodness, RJ.
It looks like I feel like we're in the Home Depot.
Ooh.
Why did they put this
bet.
tape here? Is that good? Hush.
Ooh. What's that?
Take the
Wow.
cardboard out. Cardboard. I'm gonna explore this.
Here, oh, post this, eh?
Oh.
There is.
So how do you put the chicken in there? Lay it in there?
Yeah.
Lay a bunch of pieces on top of each other?
Yeah, and then just put it down. Put it in the hole. There you go. And there you go. And now they use the air fryer. So if I want food from it, I just push the button and lift it up. There you
Yeah.
go. Hit the food in. Then you have this thing. You open it up and you close it back down.
Yep.
There you go.
Turn on there and
What
cook.
is this? Okay.
You read, RJ, what's that there?
Hot to touch. Hot. Do not fill this with oil.
Turn on letter with
It opens
testing.
up. Feel it.
Okay,
Now we're going to peel.
slowly.
Looks so great.
So great.
It's always satisfying when I do
Just
this.
gotta light it up to see it.
Yep. We try it. We
It
turn
feels
on, RJ.
great. And back.
There is. Tap. There you go.
Yeah.
Air fryer, yeah.
We'll have to move it to the counter.
Okay.
For 5 minutes.
Here's
get down.
preheat.
Hey,
5.
get down, wait 5 minutes.
Now what is that?
Press all to begin preheating. Okay. So we gotta press, it's like run.
Press all.
Looks like right here. Arrow with two lines. That starts it. When preheating is done, the air fryer will beep. Pull out the basket and let them cool for 5 minutes. Then place empty basket back in the fryer.
Here is this run. Preheat
Do the test.
for 5 minutes.
Then we do another test run. It's steak, 6 minutes.
Yep. Here is 1 minute more.
1 more minute.
Steam like out.
Here is the beeping. Oh, preheat is ready.
Pull out the basket, Seth.
Hold out.
Feel the hot? I feel the hot air. Yep, it's very hot. Then we gotta be careful when you do this on your own, the steam. Oh, can you turn to the page of the test run? We're in the middle of the test run. That's the cautions.
That's number 12, I think. Number 12. There you go.
Okay, pull out the baskets, let them cool for 5 minutes. Okay, so 10 after 11.
What does it say after that?
Put them back in. Now press steak. See if that works. And you let it. Sometimes it's gonna get really hot. It's super hot. I can feel you burn your finger right off. The side is warm. Hot on top, hot on the vent. Don't touch the vent. It's hot.
So hot the vent, RJ. Don't touching this. You blow there's the air. Super hot.
Teleporting.
Dangerous dessert to touch. It's hot.
And you put it
Continue.
back in the fryer.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
I think it's in.
Press steak to select steak preset. Steak preset. Steak. Press temperature time. Twice. The time will blink on display. Press the button once to change the time to 5 minutes. What button? Okay, press the steak, select the steak preset. Display will show 406 minutes. Press the temp time twice. I must have timed out.
Yep.
Then the minus.
There it is.
Oops. And that's 390. You have to fix that.
How do you fix that?
Okay, there you go.
There you go.
400. Okay, maybe start
Yes.
now.
Play button.
There you go.
Here it goes again.
This time let the gases cool for 10 to 30 minutes. And then you're done with your test run. That's it.
Okay.
Yes, we're waiting for 5 minutes. This run.
Everything worked.
I can see.
Here, guys, is everything is work. Here is
the box over here.
super hot.
The outside box.
Okay.
The running test is okay now. It's ready. Super hot. Here is guys. 2 times to post this so that have number, show the number. And the sign here is
Mommy's
the
gonna cook it up again.
chicken, fish, shrimp, bacon. What's that?
Is there any
Rosin.
other parts of the kasari?
And that
Mommy
is
Yeah, she's filming it. See?
that is French fries, broccoli, carrots. Okay, guys, we're tasting the
They give you a recipe for a steak,
air fryer, and then here is
but we're not going to follow it. We have to prepare for that.
we just
We
cook
don't have all those ingredients.
with this thing. If what's look like the
You're supposed- You're
first
supposed
cook.
all this stuff: olive oil,
Yep.
vinegar, mustard on the steak, salt and pepper, basil leaves. Then combine it all, whisk it together, and then you marinate it.
Yeah. And this is
Marinate for
marinate.
2 hours. We can't do that.
Yeah, we just cook right away. Here is the steak of daddy.
It's just a test.
Yeah, testing to the air fryer, guys. So I have to
Preheat.
show you.
Preheat on the kasori air fryer and press start pause.
Yeah. Okay, start preheat.
Where's the worship sauce?
Preheat.
Yep.
Give me the sauce.
Not know how much the temperature you want, honey.
It's preheat is 5 minutes.
No, temperature, how much?
The steak until after it's preheated.
Oh, okay.
Preheat.
Yep,
4 minutes or 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Doesn't say. Okay.
Just 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, start now, preheat. No, there kasi so hot. Okay, this is the air fryer that we
Let's
unboxed.
use
First time to cook the steak here in air fryer. Here it is. Okay, we're waiting for a few minutes. Okay, guys. Here it is. Open. It's already ready the preheat.
Don't touch it, it's hot.
It's super hot. It's the steak.
Another fork I can get this off with.
There it is.
I feel like we already cooked it.
There you go.
Shut it.
Close. And it's ready.
Start. We'll start. Okay, 6 minutes.
Okay, 6 minutes. Okay. 400 temperature. Yes. Let's see later, guys. If what's look like. Okay, guys, already done. Cook the 5 minutes. So let's
That was 6
open.
minutes.
Oh, 6 minutes.
I can hear it frying.
Let's see. Oh, tara! Wow, it's cooked now, honey. It's cooked now. See? There it is. See, RJ? That's a daddy want to cook. It's a medium. Yeah, there is. It's cooked. So quick, huh? Only 6 minutes.
Are you
And
not
done.
super nice?
Okay. Okay, daddy, we decide 1 minute only. Okay.
Yeah, let RJ do it. Okay, turn her off.
Yeah, turn off, RJ.
Oh, we went off.
Oh,
2
2
minutes.
minutes. Okay.
Just pull it.
Just pull it and there you go.
Don't touch.
Super hot, RJ. Don't touch. Here it is.
It's on fire now.
Yep. There you go.
Careful.
Okay.
It's bleeding through.
See that? You want 8 minutes, honey, not just 6 minutes. See? Maybe 10 minutes, honey, not so red, honey.
Yep, this is medium rare.
Yeah. Okay, tasting daddy.
Yeah, it tastes good. I mean, even before it tasted good.
There you go. The other one. Oh, that is little bit red.
Might have to do 10 minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
We did 6 and 2.
Yeah, 8 minutes. 6 then 2. Yep.
So we do maybe 9 or 10 next time.
Yeah, there it come. Yeah, that's it.
Yep. It's cooked. It's good.
Yep.
We marinated.
Marinate quick.
It's hot all throughout, inside and out.
Yep.
No, we didn't overcook it. It's good.
Okay guys, that's it for now. Our tasting the air fryer.
The steak came out good for a quick test.
Yep, this is the result guys. See, the steak 8 minutes cooking. Yeah, that's it for now. Bye bye.